Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. This is a product review of the TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi light switch. This is just for the single switch. They also sell a three-way switch, a dimmer switch, 3 packs. This is just for the single. So it comes with the cover plate for single, but I needed to put it in this double. You can see it fits just fine. It's a standard size, so that's great. And I had this dimmer switch already installed over here, so I wanted my smart switch on the right side. Really easy to install. If you're comfortable at all with wiring switches, turn off the breaker. All I had to do was unscrew the wire nuts and add the wire and screw them back in, and it was all connected. So turn the breaker back on. It gets power to it. Then you download the Kasa app in your phone. It searches for the device, any new devices in the system. It finds it. It walks you through very simply on how to connect it, what to name it. Everything is step-by-step instructions in the app. And you can also push the button manually. You can use the app to control it. You can add schedules and everything, so that's really cool. You can also use a smart home device. So it works both with Amazon Alexa and with Google. So Alexa, turn on the bedroom light. Worked great. Hey Google, turn off the bedroom light. And it's off.
Turn off the bedroom light.
So it works really well with both services, really easy. I did lose power at one point and came right back up and connected, no problem. It looks great, it matches in my box, so I would highly recommend it. Ease of installation is great, quality is great, no issues so far. I would like to try out the three-way and the dimmer switches in the future. If I do, I'll do another review. But so far I don't see anything that would lead me not to recommend the product. It's been great. So I hope this is helpful to you, and please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on the Green Workbench.